G'day champions. So in this video, we're going to have a quick look at how to do a compression test on an outboard. Very useful skill to know. Extremely easy, but it tells you a whole heap about an outboard motor or any motor really. But anyway, this one we're going to be testing is a 30 horsepower Mercury 2-stroke. It's going to be very similar for most outboard motors. Anyway, this is how you compression test an outboard. So you're going to go ahead, remove the spark plug leads. Remove both spark plugs. Good idea is to have a look at your plugs as they come out. Make sure they are not white or extremely dry. I've just had this motor running. So they both look quite good. Next, you get your compression gauge and screw it into where the spark plug goes. Anyone who sort of plays with motors, I reckon it's worthwhile going and getting a compression tester. Very, very good tool to have for diagnosing. Okay, then we'll just make sure your motor's out of gear. I'm going to go to full throttle. Both spark plugs are out, both leads are off, and I'll crank the motor over for about 4 seconds or so. This one's electric start and pull start. We'll run through both. So it's just long enough. So there we have about 149 psi on the top cylinder there. It's very, very healthy. And we'll do the bottom one. So even if you've got an 8-cylinder, you just complete the process for each cylinder. And you do not want to see, I think it's more than about 10% difference in the readings. There we go, 149. So this motor is extremely healthy, which I'm happy about. All right, we'll just run through if you have a pull start outboard. So you basically just need to pull it, 5 or 6 hard pulls. Just need to pull it until the needle stops reading more and more. So it's normally about 5 or 6 hard pulls. I'll just show you that now. There we go. Actually have 150 there, so that's great. So whether you pull start, electric start, it's the same process. So now I'll just disconnect this, put my plugs back in, and the compression test is complete. And that shows me that there is really no issue with my bores, cylinders, rings, all that sort of stuff. So very, very good, to go and buy one of these, and you can compression test your own outboards, whether you're buying or checking your own outboard out. All right, hopefully this has helped, and subscribe for more boat related stuff. See you champs, bye.